Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to send stars on Facebook Reels. So let's just say if you are watching a reel and you want to send stars, you can easily now do it. So let's just say you search for a reel. So let me find something good. So let's just say this is the one that you want to send stars on. So you can click on these three dots at the bottom right side of your screen, and you can see we have multiple options in here. So the star option usually do appears in the section where most of the people are searching, but you can find it in the description. So most of the time it is in the description of the video, so you can simply go with the different videos and you can see we have this kind of description going on, and you can send stars using this option. So it is usually appearing over here. So yeah, if you have any reels, you can simply search for them and simply send them stars. So yeah, this is the information that I would like to share with you guys. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.